Hi, I'm Phil with Chamberlain Family Farms. We had a bad sale pop up out of nowhere yesterday, and we got hail and really hard rain afterwards. We're going to have to check out and see how the crops turned out.
Yeah, ice. Well, the heavy part of the rain is stopped. Left over quite a bit of hail, and I still hear a lot of thunder in the area. But the sun's shining now. That's kind of how it goes in Indiana. So I'm going to walk out and see how our crops fared. It wasn't a very long burst of rain. It came pretty quick. I don't know if you can see the steam rolling off of everything or not. It's one of those cells that just kind of come through. Right now, I think that's going to make it. Just depends on how much the hail really beat it up. We'll see. Looking over here through the other, we've got one plant down there. The beans kind of look a little bent over now. A couple tomato plants on out are down. But overall, it looks like we fared pretty well through that. It was very unexpected. The corn's looking pretty good. Well, yesterday's when we had all that hail, and I'm looking at my plant out front, and it has several places on these big leaves that has hail damage. Knocked a couple leaves completely off, but I'm hoping that this survives all that hail damage. My tomato plants sustained some damage too. Knocked some leaves off. See a bunch of them down there. Some of those leaves have the holes like the other did. Knocked off one of my little tomatoes that was growing. That's aggravating. But overall, I think this plant is going to do pretty well still.
That's a big girl. That's mommy, that's baby. Say what? A bug. Here, eat my food. It's not like it. I told you. I told you that. I tried the baby bunnies.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't want to wear the guy. Those there. The guy, I hear the tail. I hope you would tear the guy. Don't tear. Mom, I don't want to get her out. I don't want to tear my leg. I can help you.
she scared?
Yeah, it's not like me.
Well, she just ain't used to it. It's just a baby.
That's a baby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't want to leave the guy. Here. Daddy, get the picture of that one. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy, look! I opened it. Don't worry, Daddy.
What's up? Cruise along the property. Don't have power steering anyway. Look at that. That one's falling over.
Well, we're trying to feed the calves with the hangers this time instead of just holding the bottles. And so far we haven't got it mastered yet, but we will. Seem to be doing all right. Well, we're introducing the cows to the feed. Get a little something besides milk. Looks like they're going after it pretty good. We just keep chickens at it, we'll be all right.
Hello. We're feeling very blessed here on the homestead.
And our crops look like they're doing pretty good.
Yeah, you know, sometimes, some years, if you get very much hail, it can ruin a farmer's entire year of crops. But we got minimal damage, so we're feeling pretty good about that. We thank the good Lord above that we didn't get worse. And we pray to him that, you know, we're going to continue this year to do all right and to have a bountiful harvest. So, see you again.
God bless.
We look forward to hearing from you. You can contact us by email at chamberlainff@gmail.com. Like us and subscribe to Facebook and YouTube at Chamberlain Family Farms. We're also available on Rumble at Chamberlain FF. We really look forward to hearing from you. Give us some ideas. Bye.